चक दे फट्टे नब दे गिल्ली, इस बार भी आईपीएल नहीं जीती दिल्ली.
From two teams only, from Rajasthan and Hyderabad, we will get 11 players of Nalayak 11 team B.
The ultimate insult for Krunal Pandya. कि एक खाली है जगह तब भी तेरे को नहीं लेंगे.
तेरे को नहीं लेंगे, तू बाहर बैठेगा.
क्या आप भी हैं फैंटेसी क्रिकेट के फैंस? तो आइए हमारे साथ और खेलिए सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी, a one of a kind online cricket reality series brought to you by crickbattle.com और जीतिए 50,000 तक के प्राइजेस. For more details log on to spk.crickbattle.com या फिर you can also catch this as a podcast on Studio Scoops Official. दोस्तों, चेन्नई ने केकेआर को हराकर चौथी बार आईपीएल की ट्रॉफी अपने नाम कर ली है. आईपीएल 2021 खत्म होने के साथ साथ हमारा फैंटेसी क्रिकेट कंपटीशन यानी कि सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी 2 हैज आल्सो रीच्ड इट्स लॉजिकल कंक्लूजन एंड सून वी विल फाइंड आउट कि कौन बना है इस साल का चैंपियन. बट इससे पहले आइए करते हैं जुमलों की मुक्केबाजी एज वी एंड द खिलाड़ीज पुट टुगेदर द नालायक 11 ऑफ 2021. नालायक 11 यानी कि 11 लोगों की ऐसी आईपीएल टीम जिनके नाम तो बड़े हैं पर दर्शन छोटे, या फिर यूं कहिए कि ये वो ऐसा गोला बारूद थे जो गरजे जरूर लेकिन बरसे नहीं. So today we are in esteemed company of a guest who has been closely involved with the business of T20 cricket. He's the founder, managing director of Euro T20 Slam, which is world's first ever continent-based T20 cricket league, sanctioned by the cricket boards of Ireland, Scotland and Netherlands and approved by the ICC. He has been the general manager of Kochi Tuskers and amongst many other endeavors, he has worked closely with many Indian players in the Indian Premier League. Prashant Ramesh Mishra, welcome to Sabse Bada Khiladi.
Thank you, Mandar. Thank you very much for the kind introduction. It's lovely to be here.
Today, talking about the Nalayak 11 of IPL 2021.
The whole point, I think, of this discussion is that they are great players. All of them that we're talking about.
I know.
Unfortunately, थोड़ा सा उदय भान जी इन्होंने दिल दुखा दिया है.
For me, the biggest disappointment this season for DC is Rabada. The way he bowled Aveshan, Norkia and Akshar who has propelled Delhi till this. Otherwise, Rabada is a big failure.
A major disappointment for me personally this season was Chris Morris. Having picked up at a whooping price of almost 16.25 crores. The next name that immediately comes to me has been Sanju Samson. I think...
okay. That's interesting because, I mean, he was in the race for the orange cap.
Yes. But I think he has failed to perform when it was needed the most.
Sanju Samson, he's staying back in UAE. The team wants him. So if someone who is staying back in UAE, that means he's a good player. So Sanju Samson, Nalayak kabhi part nahi hoga. And I thought, if we talk about Rajasthan Royals, then I think Tewatia would be Nalayak 11 for me. Because the expectation, the bar that he raised in the first season last year, so it was like Tewatia, and it was under par this time. He did nothing.
Morris is obviously means the amount of money which is paid to him now. Morris then Livingston means with such a big expectation. Livingston come in the tournament and he didn't play the way he should be. The name which I have taken, the biggest disappointment for me was ABD. Means you expect ABD. He has few matches which has to be finished by ABD.
Here is one man who had gone all out and said one thing कि तुमको नालायक 11 में ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि 9 players तो SRH में से ही है उसमें.
ये confirmed है उनकी.
From two teams only, from Rajasthan and Hyderabad, we will get 11 players of Nalayak 11 team B.
ABD personally, as Keval said कि एक season खराब गया. I still feel that this was a very important season, or every season is very important season. And ABD getting that opportunity to play every match. And
this was the season where I think if ABD would have fired, I think RCB would have won.
This साल cup number would have been possible if ABD would have fired.
चक दे फट्टे नब दे गिल्ली, इस बार भी आईपीएल नहीं जीती दिल्ली.
I want to have your opinions upon Owen Morgan for this season. I think he's gotten out on zero like for 4 times. So that's we cannot expect this from the World Cup winning captain. My personal favorite. I have had interactions with him. I've sat and had breakfast with him. I have really admired the way he's played. He's got the team to win. He's got his country to win the World Cup. But for him to leading from the front and not being able to perform is something that was again very, very disappointing, which makes him a very integral part of this team, I guess.
Prithvi Shaw early Rohit Sharma vibes deta hai bahut. Early Rohit Sharma also 2-3 innings he would show you what a player he is, and then there would be that little phase where he would not get runs.
केवल बोल रहा था पृथ्वी शॉ का नाम ले रहा था.
नहीं
सही, बिल्कुल सही नाम ले रहा था. बिल्कुल सही नाम ले रहा था. उसको जब मैंने कैप्टन बनाया भाई ने 3 या 4 रन से ज्यादा नहीं बनाए हैं. जब नहीं बनाता तो 50 मार जाता था.
तो that will not qualify as नालायक 11 ना. He is your नालायक player.
ये जो प्लेयर्स है ना, पृथ्वी शॉ हो गए, ये सूर्य कुमार यादव, चांद किशोर, झटका देना पड़ता है. खेलोगे तो अच्छा है, नहीं तो टीम से बाहर बिठा दिया जाएगा. उनको वो झटका मिलता है ना, वो कहते हैं नहीं हमें खेलना है, करना है, परफॉर्म करना है, तो वो फिर तमीज से खेलते हैं.
दीपक चहर, बोल्ट एंड भुवनेश्वर कुमार. यही 3 बॉलर. These are swing bowlers. They are dependent on the swing. And these 3 bowlers in UAE leg didn't find any swing on any wicket. For me, these 3 can qualify for a Nalayak 11 pace bowler battery of 3 Nalayak pace bowlers who only want swinging wickets. Otherwise, they will not going to give you any wickets.
Somebody who really disappointed me from MI, along with Surya Yadav, was Krunal Pandya. Was given chances in every match, but no.
Do you see any all-rounders fitting into this category of Nalayak 11?
I think Krunal Pandya is
definitely. Krunal Pandya. Both the Pandya brothers.
माहौल बनाता है केवल हार्दिक पांड्या. Nothing more than that.
अब सिर्फ यही दुआएं कीजिए कि वो वर्ल्ड कप में सिर्फ माहौल बनाने के लिए ना आए और एक्चुअली कुछ करके दिखाए.
I don't know if you guys have discussed captains, but I would like to recommend Owen Morgan and Dan Christian from my side for sure.
Yes.
Probably the worst all-rounder across teams. I think वो शायद अगले ऑप्शन में दिखेगा भी नहीं.
I clearly object Anmol's point of Chris Morris being the worst all-rounder. I know he didn't play, but Vijay Shankar is Vijay Shankar. You cannot take his place. Please.
You can't. Keval, first and foremost, you are wrong because you're calling Vijay Shankar an all-rounder. He's a 3D player.
3D player.
That is a different
5D player. 5D player.
5D player. My bad.
I have one more batsman, Nicholas Pooran. I think Pooran
Definitely.
horrible for Punjab.
Definitely.
Everyone can agree upon, considering last year जिस हिसाब से वो चौके छक्के लगा के लास्ट मिनट पे पंजाब, मतलब he was the invisible batting middle order of Punjab last year. इस साल वो पूरा क्रम्बल हो गया तो पंजाब, I mean obviously showed the effect.
I salute Pratik ji because I have to salute Nicholas Pooran also, जिस आदमी ने 4 मैच में on the trot duck मारा है. 4 मैच. How is that possible? 4 मैच तुम लगातार जीरो करते हो.
He is actually the dream batsman for the bowler who is on hat-trick. Any bowler who is on hat-trick, please send Nicholas Pooran to bat.
पूरन जैसे यार पैड पहनी वो पहले सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है मेरा हैट्रिक.
हाँ, वो देख टीम में सेलिब्रेट. ओके, हैट्रिक हो गई.
जो बिग बैश से रेपुटेशन लेके आया था उसका 2% भी नहीं खेला बंदा. मतलब not I didn't see 1 6 also that he hit. I think I don't know. I could be wrong.
Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, who agrees? Pratik is saying yes. Naveen is saying yes. Keval is saying yes. Anmol is saying Anand, you don't agree? Owen Morgan, of course. I think so. I mean, unanimously he leads the captain, the captain tag.
I think Owen Morgan खुद भी खुद को नालायक 11 में डालेगा.
वैसे तो ओवेन मॉर्गन को कैप्टन ऑफ नालायक 11 बनाने के लिए कोई रीजन देने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट स्टिल आई वांट टू गिव सम फैक्ट्स टू यू गाइस. राहुल तेवतिया हैज स्कोर्ड मोर रन्स देन ओवेन मॉर्गन. इवन लुइस एंड अपना जेसन रॉय हैव स्कोर्ड मोर रन्स देन ओवेन मॉर्गन. एंड ओवेन मॉर्गन ने 17 गेम्स खेले, उन्होंने 5 गेम खेले. 5 गेम. और उनका ज्यादा रन है ओवेन मॉर्गन से. सो यू कैन जस्ट इमेजिन वो कितना अंडर परफॉर्म किया है मॉर्गन ने.
When people, so when you say Dan Christian, डैन क्रिस्टियन से उतनी एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं रखनी चाहिए पहले तो.
डैन क्रिस्टियन इज बेसिकली ग्लोरिफाइड जोगिंदर शर्मा बेसिकली, उतना ही है
हाँ.
और ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. इनफैक्ट वन मोर फैक्ट ऑफ डैन क्रिस्टियन, इस मैच में जडेजा ने हर्षल पटेल को 5 छक्के मारे थे ना, उस मैच में जडेजा का कैच छोड़ा था किसने? डैन क्रिस्टियन.
तो अनमोल कह रहा हूँ उसको तो कैप्टन होना चाहिए भाई.
वो वाइस कैप्टन है यार, वाइस.
आर या अश्विन को डालते हैं which completes our नालायक 11. लेकिन और एक स्पॉट है, क्योंकि हम लोग ने पहले डिसाइड किया कि कृणाल पंड्या को तो 12th मैन ही बनाएंगे, बिकॉज वो उसी लायक है कि तू जाके पानी पिला सबको, तो ओवर तो डाल नहीं पाता. So,
अरे फॉर फन सेक प्लीज इंक्लूड रियान पराग, ही कैन डांस ऑन द, मतलब एक हाथ विकेट कहीं कैच बैच पकड़ ले तो सेल्फी वेल्फी भी ले लेगा और डांस कर लेगा.
एक और प्लेयर के बदले आई थिंक वी शुड डिसाइड नालायक मैनेजमेंट और उसका अवार्ड
ऐसा है.
ऐसा वो तो hands down SRH.
which is
the
very
most नालायक management of IPL 2021 hands down goes to SRH.
which
No
is
doubt
very
about
ऐसा राइट, पर फिर भी पंजाब will give a good fight to them. No one likes to play in Punjab. Not a single player.
If you ask me personally, putting together the Nalayak 11 of IPL 2021 is the most fun part of the whole competition. अगर मुझे किसी और चीज में इससे ज्यादा मजा आता है तो वो है to announce the winner of the सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी championship. And for that, we'll have to have a look at the leaderboard. And the winner of सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी season 2 is Uday Bhan Singh, who has won 25,000 rupees worth of gift vouchers. Weekly competition और overall championship के अलावा we had also conducted a separate phase 2 championship where we were tracking the fantasy points scored for the second phase. और उसके विनर बने हैं once again उदय भान सिंह.
एसबी के तो केवल किस्मत थी, वो तो ठीक है, आनंद का वो 2x में ऊपर नीचे हो गया, नहीं तो मेरा 2x लो होता.
Yeah, that indeed was a turning point. नहीं तो ये last match तक definitely कुछ बढ़ा जाता between
100%.
Anand and Uday Bhan. It would have been a complete nail biter.
Also, what happened was it's not just the 2x; it's the repercussions after the 2x, right? Because then I had to move away from my game of picking up Gaikwad as a captain and a Venkatesh Iyer as a vice captain and start doing funny things, which just made the situation worse. So I mean, no regrets, but yeah, it was the 2x that basically caused it. But hats off to Uday Bhan. I think he was consistent all throughout. Unfortunately, CSK won today. But if I have to draw a parallel, he was the KKR kind of doing the comeback.
दोस्तों, the fantasy cricket competition on सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी season 2 has come to an end. But we begin once again with सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी World Cup का war with the T20 World Cup scheduled to begin on 23rd of October. So guys, stay tuned as we begin once again an explosive competition of fantasy between our khiladis on सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी. Till we meet again, eat cricket, sleep cricket, and of course, talk about cricket, because cricket is not just a game, it is the game.